This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap. It's a Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. After considerable speculation, the government has stepped in and rescued American International Group with an $85 billion injection of taxpayer money. Under the deal, the government will get a 79.9% stake in the world's largest insurers. Barclays plc, meantime, the third largest British bank, took advantage of Lehman Brothers' bankruptcy reorganization to reach a deal with Lehman's North American investment bank and trading operations for just $250 million. There are reports that Morgan Stanley officials are weighing whether the firm should remain independent or merge with a bank, given the recent turbulence in the company's stock. And the U.S. government has been reaching out to large banks in an effort to organize a buyout of struggling Washington Mutual. Among the banks are Wells Fargo, J.P. Morgan Chase, and HSBC Holdings plc. Treasury has announced that it will provide cash to the Federal Reserve to fund the central bank's operations to provide liquidity to the financial markets. In economic news today, construction of new homes and apartments fell to the lowest level in 17 years last month. Commerce reported that housing construction dropped to a surprise 6.2%. Commerce also reporting that the U.S. current account deficit widened to $183.1 billion in the second quarter. U.S. House of Representatives approved a measure by a vote of 236 to 189 to lift the ban of offshore oil and gas drilling. And the Energy Department reported that the U.S. crude supplies fell 6.3 million barrels for the week ended September 12th. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Thursday in the U.S. include the initial jobless claims report, the Philly Fed Index, and the leading indicators from the Conference Board. In earnings news, General Mills reporting earnings for the quarter falling to 79 cents a share. Analysts predicted 87 cents. Adobe Systems reporting a third quarter net income dropping to $191.6 million or 35 cents a share. Analysts expecting 46. And Brady Corporation reported its fiscal fourth quarter profit jumped 33%. Earnings on Thursday, Carnival Corp., FedEx, Palm, Oracle, Conagra Foods, Pier 1 Imports, and Cintas Corporation. Some of the stocks in the news today, Nortel Networks warning that carriers are cutting back their capital spending more than previously anticipated. SanDisk traded much higher, almost 50% higher, after Samsung Electronics of South Korea bid at $26 a share. That's $5.85 billion for the maker of flash memory technology. And Ace Limited and Travelers Companies upgraded to buy from neutral by Goldman Sachs on hopes that they can pick up some market share from AIG. And that is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.